And let's wind down then today's trading session. Well, by the time we're wrapping up, it's been a pretty stellar week for the equity markets. In fact, we posted the best week since the 7th of June, closing in on 11,900 for the markets, and yes, 40,500 on the Sensex. You got the Nifty Bank as well, that's seen its best week since the 30th of August, and the Nifty IT2 has been a pillar of strength. In today's trading session, though, the leadership quite changed. You had metals, which were at the forefront when we started off trade, and then post the RBI monetary policy, which on expected lines, there was a status quo declared. It's PSU banks as well as finance and the Nifty Bank that has taken leadership. IT2 in the green, energy as a basket that's held out, metals contributing, while on the flip side, real estate, pharma, media and FMCG takes a bit of a back seat. The broader markets haven't seen a neck-to-neck performance, so there has been that degree of underperformance with the mid and small caps. Wipro charging away in trade today, 375. Watch out for numbers next week. ICICI Bank, 4% on that counter. Axis Bank looking resilient, HDFC Bank, SBI, L&T, ONGC, Hero Moto, IOC, BPCL, Infi, as well as Shree Cements and Bajaj Finserv, some of the other candidates on the upside. On the flip side though, Grasim loses out. You've got UPL in the red, Hindalco, SBI Life, Nestle as well as HDFC Life. They take a bit of a back seat in today's trading session. Nonetheless, you did have a lot of those housing finance companies, NBFCs, they all fired up in today's trading session on the back of the RBI announcement coming in with respect to rationalizing the risk weights applicable to the housing loans based on the loan to value ratio. Vedanta as well, on the back of the latest updates on delisting, is in the green. Within the broader markets, down 0.5% for the mid caps, but nonetheless, there's lots of green on Parag, Lakshmi Vilas Bank at 19 rupees, LIC Housing Finance bases the company's updates going back to pre-COVID levels has fired up. Repco Home, PNB Housing, Thyrocare continues its up move at 1,066. It's been a bit of a choppy week, but nonetheless, all in all, it's up. Bank of Baroda, Intellect Design, Trident, Mindtree, JK Cement, SBI, as well as RBL and L&T. That's been an outperformer in trade, while on the flip side, Just Dial loses out, Future Retail in the red, Dr. Lal Path Labs, Cummins, Z Entertainment, Oberoi Realty and Tata Consumer go home with cuts. Well, come next week, it's going to be busy on the earnings calendar. Wipro, Infi, HCL Tech, Karnataka Bank, Cyient, Bajaj Consumer, Federal Bank, all set to deliver their quarterly numbers.